I hope your bike breaks.
I wish you could see what I could see.
I can't. Is that the right way? There you go. I hope your bike breaks. Oh no. You already know it's going to be muddy. How has it not rained for like 2 months and it's still wet? Whoop. Oh, it feels like an old school vibe kind of ride. Go where the wind takes you, or the two-stroke. That 390 does sound a beast. Shame I can't ride a four-stroke. Stop being so good. Why am I following you? Oh, we're gonna get in some trouble today. I will if I carry on following Rob. Whoa. Is this where we hopped over?
I'm sure that's how I rolled out.
That rolled out. We never came out, we went in. I think we keep going for a bit. We turn out somewhere, or do you want to turn out here? It's long grass.
Yeah, that's where we went over the bars here.
Nice, okay, keep going. Yeah, we came here a long time ago, so we don't remember anything. Can't see. Oh no. Bogs. Trying to stay nice tonight. Got a new kit on and everything. What's going on? It's boggy, isn't it? I like not going first.
I like going behind him now.
I like being in the middle more than the back because the lines get ruined. Oh, where's he? Uh-oh. Oh my god, you can't see anything under the ground. Should we try and cross? We should try and get out. This is such an old school ride, this.
Literally, that twig went, you know, like...
This used to be really boggy, but it seems alright. I think there's some big holes somewhere though. I did go over the bars once. Here he is! It seems a lot drier. Jacket a bit much? It's warm now, isn't it? The sun's coming out. Yes! Oh, what's this? When you have no idea where you're going, but you know everyone's following you. I don't know where I'm going. Hope his bike blows up. Go on, go over the bars. Come on. What an idiot! This is horrendous. Where are you going? Hey, this looks safe. When you went past, I was praying you were going to go over the bars, and you nearly did.
That was funny.
You're like, duh.
I tried to flick up a bit of roost, but it just
It just full traction. It weird. This way. Yeah, we go down here and then we take a left on the steep bit. Yeah. Is that still there? Yeah. This is cool. Creepy, but cool. I was gonna jump it, but I was gonna jump it. No.
carried on with it.
Yeah, hop over that log, Robert. Oh yeah, I'm liking this. Gaz would like this. Yeah, mine went through. Yeah, Gaz would enjoy this, wouldn't he? Oh, diagonal log. If we go down, we could end up never being able to get back up. Should we all take a line? This one's good, Rob. This one here. This one's good. That one good? Okay. See what's down there? Oh wow. Kind of steep and slippery. Everyone's taking the grip. I mean, I got to moan about something. Oh, okay, that's all gone. All the grip's gone! It's all gone! All the grip's gone! Yeah, keep going right. Mate, we'll find a way out, don't you worry. Is that a big hole? That's a big hole. I love getting lost. You can go over here. Might have to walk it. Yeah, I'm trying to think of a nicer way without. There's a river in the middle. Try there. Ah. That might be alright. I wouldn't ride it. You can pop it maybe. Yeah, did that go down your back? I mean, I did warn him. You could try this one. The clutch control. Slow. That's you get for having a 390. There's no grip. There's no grip. Come up here. Be better, wouldn't it? It's quite. That's quite soft. Was it alright?